Hello and welcome back again to my channel to a new video. In this video you are going to see the GBP and Euro JPY trade that currently running in my MT4. So this is the Malaysian SNR way and the engulfing pattern that I am going to show you the trade. So what we are seeing that this is an engulfing pattern we are looking at here. If you're seeing that this is an engulfing, you're seeing and here market eventually coming back to that engulfing, and if you go to the 30-minute time frame, on that 30-minute time frame market did not eventually give us that much trade control, so eventually it created an engulfing, another engulfing on here. If you look at that engulfing and then market coming back to that engulfing on today. So if you watch my previous video, you already know what I am talking about. Now once market coming back to that video that I goes to directly to 5-minute chart, and in that 5-minute chart I find this is the trade control that I am talking about. So then here I am actually looking for my confirmation entry. So this is the confirmation entry. Eventually it happened on here. I just go to the 3-minute chart and I see that there is another engulfing it created on here. So eventually I went for sale on this position and my stop loss is on exactly 16 pips, and my target eventually is the next engulfing if you're looking for on currently H4 market. So this is the next engulfing. This is the next engulfing we are seeing on here. So this is the target, and I eventually though I still hold my TP yet because my TP is not rigged. So this is the 1:2.5 ratio trade that I had on GBP JPY. Let's go to the Euro JPY also. On that Euro JPY, let's try again what I drawn here. So this is an engulfing we are seeing on here on H4 and market coming back to the H4 level. And if we go to the 30-minute time frame, what we are going to look at, and this is another engulfing we are seeing, but it did not create any trade control. But I go to the 5-minute time frame and I see an engulfing on here. So eventually when market created that engulfing and come back to that engulfing and created another engulfing on here. So this is the entry point that I took on the Euro JPY also, and my stop loss was 9 pips. So eventually my target is the next engulfing, and which is this is the engulfing pattern we are seeing. So this one is also still running. This one is 1.3 ratio trade that I am holding right now. So this is the screenshot you are seeing, or screen recording you're seeing that my trade is running. So